mice today. I can make some ring mice. Not this one. You saw? It's not this one. It's from a paper. But guess what is here? It's a surprise. After an ant, we can make it. It's a ring. But I'm not going to hear the surprise. Only we can make us a ring. But not this one. It got some a gold mice knot. And let's start. And we just have this and this. It's really funny. Why? We just have a box still. There has a surprise in it. You need to guess it on your mind. She saw that there was tea. She did the size knot. And first, let's grab the pencil and let's start. Then I can let you start the surprise. Might guess who it is. You can see, it's really funny. It's rings. It's the rings. And I got 2 rings already. And first, I think this one, the purple one, and after this one, the heart. And this one. I think I can make this one, the purple one. I like purple too. And it goes like, I think I can move this one. I like it, the color. And I also have strings too. A string. Now we get dry to put in mine. It's getting sweet. And you need to like, it's really easy and you can see it. It's really easy. It's take like 0 minutes to do it. It's like this. And I can make it like this extra bigger. Wait, I forgot the color. I can move this one to this one. It's more, it's straight. It's like far away. And now let's do a different kind. Now I can make this leaves. I think 3. With this gray color. It looks really good. Here and here. This is some things. Oh, that is what's passing. Now we are done with the rings. Now let's cut it. It's like takes 1 minute or 2. So take like you just wait to bed and you get like tired. You just get like, see, you're a koala. You can make it like this. Then you can open it. You can like never finish it. It's really that. Wait, oh, I almost got it. And here now how I make the ring is, wait, we forgot. How I make it is like this. You need to like shape a little shape. It's straight. It don't go. Wait. I got it. I was here. I wish I was having something. What? So it was straight. Here it is. Okay. It's almost real, but it's not. It's almost real, but it's not real at all. And here is something. Now, can we get here? Oh my gosh. Done now. Let's take a while and done. Now, how you do it? You need to grab it and put it on the side. You don't listen. If I do this, he never goes there. Done. Now, wait. It's still trying it. Let's just let this dry. I already put glue. Done. Now, let's put this. The paper something here. Then this one is the ring. This one's for the heart. This one's for the tree. And this one's for nothing. That's the purple one. I was trying to make this one, but it was the other one. I was kidding. And this is not dry nothing, but it's not really dry then. I have this one is a little dry, but I almost make it less. It's not dry enough. It's not dry. Let's put three. It's three. But it's not dry. It's got to be more smoother. Yes, it's breaking. It's not good to use it this one. I think I need to put different more glue. But not always sticks. I think it's got a little glue. Right here. Wait. It's hard. Why I make it other way. Where he never. Wait. How he can do it? Wait. He never. Wait. But it's hard. I just left it. And nothing. Now, okay. Still not. I don't think this one was working. Oh my gosh. See what's still working. Done. Now I think we not get that anymore, but it's still dry. You saw this break on the piece. Then I not think we get to that. I think we need to let it dry, but I don't think so. Now let's try on. I think it's dry and not dry. It's still dry. It's a little. Now see on my next videos right from. Now first try on my videos right from my videos. Like from my subscribe for my videos. Goodbye. Make out your home. See you on my next videos. Subscribe to my videos. Goodbye guys, you like with me? Not this ones, only this ones. Not this ones, only this ones. Subscribe to make it with me and make some help. See you on this. Subscribe my name. Goodbye. Not this ones, only this ones. Goodbye. See you in my next channel. Goodbye.